Okay, everyone. Today we are going to be trying a new trail at Oak Mountain State Park called Jackhammer. It is a 1.5 mile long trail. It's a black trail, so there are some technical sections here and there. And so right now we are on the blue trail. And to the left is to go to King's Trail, and to the right is Jackhammer. And then that way just goes further down to Peavine Falls Road and all that. So blue trail. And so here it is, Jackhammer. So now I've already done it both ways, and I find that this way is going to be the best way to go. A little bit more downhills. And then this way goes all the way to Belcher Drive, all the way to the bottom of Queens Ridge Trail. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay. We're trying a new trail, Jackhammer. Morning.
Morning. 8 more coming.
Okay, thank you. Morning. It's only me. Morning.
Hey, there's like 3 or 4.
Morning. It's only me. A lot of people trying this new trail out. Morning. Hey. Wow, a little bit punchy. Oh crap, I got cooking. That's a little bit techy. Nice. Wow. It's got a few punchy climbs here and there. Wow. black trail. Okay, now we're crossing Incline Hollow Road. It's an abandoned road that climbs up the mountain from the bottom of Belcher. Now this is the runoff down to Hidden Spring. And we have a really steep, punchy climb. Overlook right here. I'm definitely already tired because there's punchy climbs. Jackhammer. Very chunky. Oh crap. Very bumpy. No wonder this trail is called Jackhammer, because I bet these trail builders had to use a jackhammer to break up all this rock. So now we are right underneath King's Chair. Right underneath King's Chair. Sorry about that.
How you doing?
Good, how you?
Yeah. I was talking to you at the lake before. We got the same bike.
Nice bike. Yeah, it's the same bike as me. Okay. Another steep climb. Okay. Wow. Don't want to fall off the trail too light. We have made it to Belcher Drive. Wow. That is Jackhammer. 1.4 miles long. So, that be it. Boy. Okay, everyone. That is the end of Jackhammer Trail. There it is over there. 1.4 miles long. So, goes right underneath King's Chair, and that's Queen's Ridge Trail over there. That's that long descent, so feel free to come try it out. It's a technical black trail, so like I said, 1.4 miles long. And so that is a direction I prefer going in. So a little bit more descending that way. So no wonder they called it Jackhammer, because they had to blast through all that rock. So that is it. Come try it out at Oak Mountain State Park.